Rump Family of Burbank is out of town for the weekend. They're the wealthiest family in Burbank. A couple of local thugs are here to try and steal their most prized possession.
Eighth wonder of the world, microwave soap. Here it is, Rump Family most prized possession, most sought after piece of artwork in the world. It's an arm for black belt. Hey, I know, take it to the boss.
Well, I'll sit down here and have something to eat.
Hey, boss.
Well, boys, what'd you bring me?
I brought you one of the most prized
Come on
possessions.
over here.
Bought you some microwave soap.
Let me see that. Well, boys, you did a fine job here. Looks like you did a mighty fine job. Thank you very much.
It's our reward, sir.
Well, you deserve something really good. There you go. What do you think?
Thanks, boss. Yeah. Yeah, boss.
See you, boys.
Enjoy yourself.
Dad, the microwave soap is gone.
SSOB agent Moldy speaking. Hello, SSOB. This is Donald Rump. My microwave soap is missing. Can you send some detectives down here? Yes, sir. Scuzzy and I will be right down to investigate. Okay, take care. Scuzzy, we're moving. We got a case. So what's the case? Well, the Rumps just got back in town, and while they were out of town, someone stole their precious microwave soap. So we have to find it and find the people who took it. Come on. I am Agent Moldy.
And I am Agent Scuzzy.
We're from the SSOB. We'd like to have a word with you.
Okay, come on in.
Thank you. Thanks for coming. Have a seat.
Thank you. Mr. Rump, we'd like to ask you a few questions and find out some information about the object that was stolen.
One, it's priceless. Two, it's been passed on to my family for generations and generations. I'd do anything to get it back. Here's a picture of it.
Mr. Rump, will we see the place the object was stolen from?
Sure, guys. Right there in the bathroom on the toilet tank.
Right through that door, Tom.
Okay, I think we got all the evidence we need now.
I got a pretty good idea who did it. Let's go get the team.
Yeah, the team will be good.
Come on, team! Come on, team! Scuzzy, we're taking these. You guys, stay here in the front. We're going in the back. Come on. Scuzzy, keep your hangers out. We're going in. It's home of the big boss, Cotton Eye Joe.
Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Well, bustle up here and get me something to eat. Oh, yeah, we got some grub. Hey, who are you?
Cotton Eye Joe, we got some questions to ask you.
What? Now, I didn't steal no microwave soap.
How'd you know we were gonna ask you about microwave soap? We're taking you in, Cotton Eye Joe.
Ah, dog nugget.
Come on. Get.
Oh, dang it. Never thought you'd catch
Get in there now. Oh, we finally caught Cotton Eye Joe.
Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago.
Gee, sure I'm gonna miss the boss. Cotton Eye Joe.
Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Hi, we're the guys from the SSOB. Here's your microwave soap.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Here, they found my precious microwave soap.
I'll put it right where it belongs. Right in its rightful place.